welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day, noon, night, whatever time you're watching this. So happy new year guys. I hope you had great holidays and I hope 2019 brings a whole lot of joy, luck and happiness for all of you guys. So today I am back with some hair care tips and hair hacks that I personally use, and I think I have seen them being used and they are amazing. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first hair care tip is for your damaged hair ends. I tend to use a lot of straightener, a lot of blow dryer in winters. Tend to damage my hair ends. What you have to do is take some coconut oil and leave it right from your mid length to the end of your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash your hair, and you can definitely see the results. The second hack is always to use a heat protectant whenever you are using a heat styling tool. If you don't have anything, use any kind of gels, serums, or you can even put water, and it will also work as a heat protectant as less and less moisture from your hair will be absorbed. Feeling you have a very dull hair or you're facing a lot of dandruff problem, you can use this as you can take apple cider vinegar or aloe vera gel, mix both of them and then apply it in a few minutes and wash your hair, and you can definitely see the results. I have used apple cider vinegar and aloe vera as alone as well as together, so both of them work completely fine. If you're facing dandruff problem and you don't have aloe vera or apple cider vinegar, you can always use lemon juice as well. You can squeeze some lemon juice all over your hair, leave it on and then wash it. You can find your hair, not only will it help with the dandruff, it will also help look very shiny and bright. But too much of using of lemon juice can cause your hair bleach, because lemon carries a bleaching agent, so it can cause a lot of damage to your hair color as well. So yeah, you have to make sure of that. If you want your hair to have a nice growth, or you can't see growth in your hair whenever you are oiling, or if you don't even oil, you can use some vitamin E capsules. I use the Avion one. You get those in very easily in the medical shops. Take that Avion capsule, break it, and then you can, whatever liquid is there, apply directly on your hair and then go for a shampoo. Leave it on for a few minutes. And if not, you can, if you're trying any of the other remedies like aloe vera, lemon, you can put some Avion capsule liquid in that as well and apply it to your hair. Now some tips for people who have thin hair. I have a really thin hair. And I hate and love that fact about my hair. So I have some hacks you can use. Whenever you're blow drying your hair, always blow dry your hair upside down. Put your hair in the front and then blow dry. And when you sit back straight, you can see your hair looks so much more voluminous. If you want volume in your hair, always go for shorter hairstyles. I have seen it. I have personally done it. I prefer having shorter hair because it makes my hair look so much more voluminous. So if you want, you can try that. If you use conditioners, always make sure to use the conditioners on the ends of your hair, because it will make your ends more thicker and it will give an illusion that your hair is much more voluminous. Now if you have thick hair, add more layers to your hair so that there is a lot of movement in your hair, so that your hair looks really nice. If you must, try and avoid blow drying your hair, as it will make your hair all poofed up and have a lot of volume and poof off your hair and have much more volume than it is needed. Last but not the least, try not to use a bristle brush. Go for another brush. You won't be able to comb your hair thoroughly with a bristle brush. And with that, we're at the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you know the drill. Hit the like button and on the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring on the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get a notification. And comment down below what you want to see next, if you like this video or not. And if you try any of these hair care tips and hacks, and if they work for you, do let me know. And even if they don't work for you, do let me know. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. hope to see you guys next time real soon. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you. And Happy New Year.